I saw the course, looked really good. It also has a really good success rate in terms of employment. All the other universities, for me, didn't keep up with that, so I decided then and there I'm going to Huddersfield. There's some really interesting modules in there, like experiential marketing, really sort of groundbreaking stuff that's quite modern in terms of what you learn. We get a number of practical assignments. First year, it's a big team one. Finally get to final year where you have the option to basically run your own event for a real client. So you do get that hands-on real experience. The placement year for me is probably the best bit of the course. The amount you sort of learn, and most of us have come back and we know exactly what we want to be doing or the area we want to be going into. I ran the European Championships for Sport Mounted Games, had sort of thousands of people at the Bath and West Showground and ran this massive event, so for me personally that's a fantastic achievement. So I wanted to go into an events business of some kind. There's obviously all sorts of graduate schemes as well that you can get into. The support in all that, in both finding yourself a job and also the option to start your own company it's fantastic. It's been a really great course.